Are you tired of watching your hair thin out in front of your very eyes, feeling powerless and frustrated? Today, we remarkable journey on how I transformed my thin hair to lusciously thick locks in just 20 days. This isn't just a hopeful promise. It's my personal experience. The initial step number one, evaluating your hair care routine, might sound basic, but it's foundational. I had to critically assess the products I was using daily. Ask yourself, are my shampoo and conditioner helping or harming? I switched to gentle, natural products, and it was like my scalp could finally breathe. Moving on. Step number two, nutrition matters. Remember, what you eat plays a critical role in hair health. I increased my intake of proteins, omega-3 fatty acids, and vitamins. It's not just about applying products, it's feeding your hair from the inside. The next game changer was step number three, scalp massage. Don't underestimate its power. Massaging your scalp daily with a nourishing oil boosts blood circulation and encourages hair growth. It's like telling your hair follicles, hey, it's time to grow. And then came step number four, minimize heat styling. Heat is the enemy of hair growth. I put down the hairdryer and straightener and noticed fewer breakages and more growth. Every strand retained felt like a small victory. Oh, but here's a special tip. Secret number one, overnight treatments. I started using a homemade hair mask overnight, which provided my hair with hours of uninterrupted nourishment. Think of it as a spa retreat for your hair while you sleep. Now, asking for a shift in perspective with secret number two, consistency. None of these steps alone would have made so much difference if I weren't consistent. Hair care is not a sprint. It's a marathon that requires regular attention and care. With every tip and secret shared, I hope you're visualizing a future with thicker, healthier hair. But don't let the flame die out here. Apply these methods and make sure to stay patient. The results will amaze you. Along this journey, which step do you think will be most exciting to try? Perhaps you're eager to get hands-on with the overnight hair masks, or maybe the scalp massages sound particularly soothing. As we wrap up, I encourage you not just to dream about better hair, but to take decisive action. Implement these steps and watch as your hair begins to transform. Remember, it's not just about more hair, it's about healthier hair. Before you go, head over to our next video, What to Eat If Uric Acid Increases. Simple solution for body pain, where we dive deeper into how nutrition affects more than just your hair, but your overall well-being. Click on the end screen now to join me there. Subscribe and drop a comment below. Tell me which tip you're going to try first, or suggest what topics you'd want us to cover next. Just imagine, one click on subscribe, and you'll get a daily drop of wisdom right here. There's a wealth of health and beauty tips waiting for you with each new video. Cheers to taking the first step towards a fuller, healthier head of hair.